hope you can hear me. Well, I'm gonna get right into it. So, previous week low, previous week high. I don't know if you watched Romeo's newest video about SS, but you should definitely watch it. Not gonna spoil anything for you, but all right. Previous week low, previous week high. Nothing too difficult. You got 50% of the range right here. It's the weekly range. First day CRT high. Now pay attention to that CRT high. Take it, go down. Doesn't take CRT high and go, it just goes straight down. So not a trade I would take. CRT low, CRT high. What happened here? Yeah, open, high, low, close. This is a bearish candle, so we took a high, came down all the way, take CRT low, and we closed inside the range. We took the low, closed, wicked below, wicked above, then we wicked below. So that all matters. Remember, it's a story. It goes from left to right. So what did we do? We opened, we went up, wicked above, took these levels, FEG, came down, wicked CRT low. Did we take this? No, we didn't take it. I bet you there's an SMT. Monday 10 a.m. Monday 10 a.m. Yeah, we been took that low. SMT, and we closed inside. So what do? Wicked, wicked previous range, wicked below previous range, we go up. Let's go to the next day. Okay. Again, same thing. Did not take the low or high before movement. We took, however, pay attention. That's why this all matters. 50%. Take 50% once. We come back down, come back into the range of this previous CRT. Another CRT trade. We wick 50%. First break, second candle, takes it, wicks, you see the wick there. We come back down, wick back into the range, and we tank. It's a good trade right there towards previous week low or any other lows. Now for the next day, we have this huge move down, an explosion past the low, the key level, go up, 2 a.m. next day, CRT high, thing, CRT low. What do we do? High, low, high, low, go up, going up, up, up. We close above this high that broke the lows, come back down into the OTE. We push back up towards the key level, which is Monday, or 50% of the week. And then again, CRT high, CRT low, take the low, nothing happens yet, push past these lows, FEG, and we come up for that kiss of death. So now let me break down the trades. I'm going to do it like this. Break down the trade. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So what happens? Monday, we create a range. High, low, stays untouched, inside candle. That is the range right here. Inside, nothing happens. Accumulation, take 50, we go below previous week low, and we go up. It's that simple. Now, let's drop into the charts. Okay, here we go. Previous day high, first break, second break, come up, up, up. Not bad. Come up, make a high. High, low, high, low, high, low. We take it early, thick candle that breaks through that high. Model 1. Don't be afraid to ask questions and like take screenshots or anything, or just tell me anything. True market structure shift. We did form right there. Close below. And you have your OTE. Formed here. OTE. You take a short. I took that trade. So off the basis of just CRT, like 2 a.m., this trade would have made no sense. But once you take it into, a bigger perspective, previous day high, previous day low, target previous day lows, any of these lows over here, you got yourself a decent trade. 50%, somewhere around there, 2 to 1, or the nearest level, anything. Second day, again, this was an inside candle. We did not take Monday's high or Monday's low. But what did we do? Opened 6 right here. High, low, and then we closed. But what happened? One break. See that wick? One break. Close inside. Second break. Find any key level, any recent high. When I say any, I feel like you know what I mean. Candle that took it. Model 1. I'm just showing the 15, so I can show you the 5-minute after, so you can see how it looks when it plays out. But it's just kind of difficult to do all that, like from my perspective. When I'm doing it now, for the video's sake, just trying to get through it and to show you like the main idea. OTE forms, we do not retest, but we do retest true market structure shift before we take CRT low, wick, close above again, and we proceed up. But remember, this is all accumulation in here, not a good trade. Again, here's the first break, second break. There you have that. The TS. Model 1. Low that broke the high. True market structure shift. Forms. Hit retest. OTE. And I also show you on the 15 so you can see how how simple it is. And then again, early short, stop, kiss of death, target CRT low. Take previous week low. You got first break, second break. There's that higher time frame TS. But here you got your range. You have right here FEG. I hope I'm not going too fast. You get to a point where this stuff should just be. I'm just being honest. This stuff should be like you should know what it all means already. You shouldn't have to be like, what's an FEG? I understand if you have questions about the true market structure shift. That took me a while to learn. Model 1 is very simple. Again, Model 1 is the close below the candle that took the high, the close above the candle that took the low. So it's a close past the candle that liquidated your level. It's the most important thing. You need that thick candle, thick 15-minute candle, thick 5-minute candle, whatever you want. Has to be a thick break through it and then the close above or below. Model 1, take it. You have another little mini TS there. I'm not going to count for that. These are all these trades that you see with the wicks. It's a trade on the 1 minute and the hourly 1 minute. This you could take on the 5, it will look nice. This you could take on the 5, will look a little bit better. But if it's not taking the high or the low of a range before it moves, I'm not really looking to trade. I think I took this long. I took this long. And I took Monday short. No trade on Tuesday. I took the long, not the short. Let me check again. Yep, took the short. No trade. Took the long. And then Thursday and Friday, I predicted those both correctly, but no trade. Because we didn't. I wanted to wait for CRT low to get taken, and then we go up. But we just went up and flew. So let me get back to the point. Yeah, no trade here. I don't really see anything that would make sense to take. 4-hour close right here. That's 10 a.m. Close above the range. Close above the previous range. You mean we're gonna go up, come down, reject previous week low. We go back up. Simple stuff. Stirred candle stuff. But this is also inside previous day range. And then again, let's go on Friday. Take the low, first break, come back inside, second break, Got your TS. Base like model 1. I'll fix that on the 5 minute. Model 1 forms your entry. Target 50% or all the way. Pretty big stop loss, but that's pretty much the basis of this week. We don't take any levels here. We tank, but we do take previous day high. Inside candle on the daily. Look, this is the low. That's the high. We don't take either or. We do take the high, CRT high, go down, take CRT low, go up. 50% of the week, 2 breaks, go down towards previous week low. No CRT high taken. We do take CRT low. Key level, previous week low. We form, go up. I like this TS right here for that trade, for that long. Right there. Close above, model 1, long. Like that. Second break. Explosion. That would be a true market structure shift up here. Let me mark it out for you. TMSS. OTE here in the half. Let's see it. It's all there. You can't tell me it's not there. You can't tell me this isn't going to work. It's all right there. Target whatever. CRT high, 50%. I took that to 50% of the range. Second break into this FEG. No trade there. Reject this. Trade there. Simple stuff. No trade. No trade. 1, 2, 3 very good trades. Let's go into the 5. 17 minutes. You can just skip through this video. You know how it is. I know you know what to do. Here it is on the 5. Adjust this. Thickest candle right there. Model 1. Your low. I took a high. Formed. Retest. Straight down. It's not that bad of a trade. When the Model 1 form was right there. What I've been finding myself doing is entering after Model 1, you know, if I like the trade, and you find your true market structure shift, find it on NQ, your correlating asset, you wait for both to form. If true market structure shift gets wicked, false market structure shift, do not trade. But yeah, 2 to 1 right there. Less than an hour. This is one of my favorite trades of the week. This OTE right here is because that's the previous week low. I did not take that one. I took the long. Let me erase this so it doesn't confuse you. Right there. But yeah, 15-minute does make it look kind of cleaner. You have your TS, thick candle, Model 1. Could enter right there after it forms. have to risk that retest. True market structure shift. Forms, come back down into the OTE, target 50% the range, and you're chilling. Thursday, right here, the 5 minute. You already know, 1, 2, close above, we just push up. It's like market open all the way over here. Manipulate it up, come down, manipulate again. It's a classic 3 candle trade. Continuation model right here, another good trade. You have a key level there for sure. Yeah, for our FEG. And yeah, like what I always say, it's about finding the right trade, the one that you think looks best, the one that a trade you want to be attracted to this trade. You want to trade. On Tuesday I didn't trade because I didn't even want to get out of bed. I looked at the charts. I was like, it's a really ugly trade. Like the market conditions are not good. They're not attractive. You don't want to trade that. Model 1 immediately retested right there. Forms retest. You have your high that broke the low. True market structure shift. This was also to be closed outside the range. So at 10 a.m. was right there. 10 a.m. we closed there. So that's a low, kind of like a key level, so it doesn't confuse you. And then that candle could be also the high that took the low. We form OTE right there, 10 a.m. There. Touch it right there. Same thing. That's pretty much it. We're going 30-minute, make it look a little bit cleaner. 1, 2, 3 trades this week. Should have been 1 down, 2nd up. Now I'm going to clear all of that and I'm going to show you the weekly trade for that, how I would have taken this weekly trade. Not erase those. Okay, how would I have taken this weekly trade? I want to find a key level. What's a key level? Previous week low. There's a key level. 4 hour. There. Keep going down. 30, 15, whatever you want. Thick candle right there. Close above. Right there. And you can just start seeing what these things actually mean. What does a Model 1 actually mean? We'll look at a higher time frame Model 1. You know, with the key level, close below that level, close below this key level, Model 1, we close above the candle. That's already your long as soon as it forms. Right there. Stop loss. You have this FEG. Come in here for a better trade. You know, OTE of that FEG right there. This is CRT, man. Like, you already know. This is the precision we offer here at learning how to actually trade. No, no nonsense, BS. And then the high that took the low, you have this extreme high over here. We form all the way here. And right before you get, you know, that final level, we have Monday's high right there, the kiss of death. gonna blow your mind, bro. OTE. Like, there's nothing else that really showcases CRT better than by looking at the charts. I don't understand what more you'd want for it, the strategy. What? I don't understand. There's nothing else that you possibly need. Find this sort of precision anywhere else and show it to me, please. But I doubt it. That's it. Weekly review. Um, like I said, I hope you watched that video. But yeah, bro. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I hope this makes sense to you. Just ask me any questions if you need, bro. Please, please, please ask questions because there's no other way to learn. Have a good night. God bless you.